$1,000 Fab Speed Motorsport with a 2008 Cayenne V6 957. For this customer, we did a custom exhaust for his car. We did like our Supercup setup, which is literally muffler bypass pipes with two small resonators on each side with our quad style tips. So he wanted a really aggressive sound, and we did it for him. And I think this might be a possibility that we might start selling these. So check fabspeed.com for videos, and check YouTube for more, more information and everything. No drone inside the car, just definitely more aggressive, much deeper outside the car, but not really loud. And remember, this car, has the secondary Catbypass pipes. We kept the stock resonator in the middle. It's a small, about 1 foot long resonator. We kept that on there still, just to kind of take the edge off. And then we've got our, Supercup set up with the small resonators on.